In this video, I'll detail how to return to clock on Apple Watch Series 9. So it doesn't matter whatever you have, whether you're using the settings or you are on a phone call or you are running, or here you have the list or you're using the photo app. With your Apple Watch Series 9, you can easily return back to the clock screen on your device. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to return to clock screen on Apple Watch Series 9, all you just need to do is press the digital crown just once. Once you click on that, look at the settings icon and click on it. Then scroll down, select General. Under General, scroll down, and then tap Return to Clock. Once you click on that, you see Always. So if you select Always, this is going to automatically return to clock screen always on your Apple Watch Series 9. Then if you select after 2 minutes, whether you press the digital crown or not, your Apple Watch Series 9 will return to the clock screen after 2 minutes. And if you select after 1 hour, the same thing is going to be applicable. So you see that? So that's how you can easily return to clock on Apple Watch Series 9 screen. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.